My name is Matthew Teifke, and I'm a real estate broker and partner here at TRE in Austin, Texas.
My name is Alex Kaufman, and I'm a partner here at TRE, Teifke Real Estate in Austin, Texas. And I run all the operations for the brokerage here at TRE, and I help support the operations for our other branches underneath the TRE brand.
TRE is headquartered here in Austin, Texas. We have operations in San Antonio, Amarillo, Texas, Houston, Corpus Christi, and then really it started when I got out of A&M. My wife started building up our company doing property management, always focused on being creative and how can we push the limits. Andrew was doing all of our marketing when we had no money in the bank, and we were like, all our profit's gonna go towards marketing. And when Alex came on, we really turned it into a business on the brokerage side.
TRE is the one place that you can come to as a real estate agent, a real estate professional, someone in the real estate industry, and we will meet you where you're at. You can come here, you can be yourself, and you can do anything that you want within real estate. We'll help you cultivate your goals, help you cultivate yourself into the real estate professional that you wanna be, and we'll help support you in any direction that you want to go.
It's a very special group. It's entrepreneurial focused people getting together, helping each other grow, and we are real estate investors and real estate agents.
What makes us different here at TRE is we don't try and put anybody in a box. We'll help you cultivate those skills. We'll teach you the things that you don't know, and it's the one place you can go to that you can ultimately be yourself and choose whatever direction you want to head in. We're going to listen to your ideas, we're going to listen to your goals, and we're going to help you get there.
You would choose TRE if you are focused on getting the most out of real estate. I have never been around another brokerage that promotes this vision the way that we do, and we truly support it. We lend our agents money, we partner with them, we help them grow their assets, we help people create LLCs, we show them how we file our taxes.
At TRE, we have the real estate brokerage, and then underneath that company, we have an acquisitions arm, which is the wholesaling company. We find off-market deals. We have a construction company. We have a property management company.
We want to go out and get it. We want to hustle. We want to be creative. And so the TRE brand is the people, and it's the idea that we are outside of the box. We're focused on growing. We're not worried about what other people are doing or what they're saying.
When you boil it down, the mission and the vision for TRE is to help you achieve your goals and achieve everything that you want in life. Matt and I have been able to cultivate this and experience this through real estate and all the opportunities that real estate provides. And we want everybody in the world who has this desire to become financially free and to grow through real estate to experience this as well.
Get the message out that real estate can be for everybody. I've seen it change people's lives. I've seen it change my own family's life. And we just 100% believe real estate is for everybody.
Our goal here at TRE is to be the best real estate company in the world. We want to bring these opportunities to every single state and to provide this education, this knowledge about everything that real estate can provide for you and whoever wants to learn about it. Agents that come to us, typically they have the same goals and the same desires that we have. Every goal is different, every person is different, and every situation is different.
People have their own team, their own brand. We give people everything they can to succeed. And so TRE has kind of been an accumulation of 15 years of grinding and being in the trenches. And I never had this super clear plan until in the last 2 years when Alex came on, and we said, hey, this is where we want to be and this is where we want to go. We're just going to keep pushing forward. We want to keep finding new people to grow with us. Our heads are down and we're working as hard as we can.